Want to boost the sound and make your Nintendo Switch Lite speakers louder for better gaming audio? The Lite's built-in speakers are notoriously quiet by design, but you can max them out and tweak settings for some amazing improvement. Here's a step-by-step guide to do it quickly. For starters, let's press our volume buttons in the top of our Nintendo Switch. Press the plus volume button to increase your volume to its maximum. But let's say the audio still sounds a bit low after that. By default, some switches have a volume cap turned on for safety reasons. To fix it, go to your home screen and scroll all the way to System Settings. Open it. Scroll down to System. It's usually in the bottom. On the right side, scroll down a bit and find the setting called Lower Max Headphone Volume. If this is on, it will limit how loud the audio can get, especially with headphones. Simply toggle it off. Now, try playing a game or video again. You should notice a clear volume boost. Also make sure to raise the volume manually on your Bluetooth device if you're using an AirPod or a wireless headphone. Many users forget that both devices control volume separately. And that's how you can boost the sound on your Nintendo Switch Lite. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.